Hi partners, this is Kirk Roldan and I'm the CEO and founder of Kirk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. Okay? So we have received a lot of requests about this credit packs or free credit packs that they are getting if they want to subscribe or add credits to their account. So that's why I created this video for you. Now, a lot of people, the reason why they subscribe for this service is one of that. Let's say, for example, they want to buy the service soon to receive a credit pack right now or free credit pack. They want to subscribe it first or today, and then they will use the credits after 1 month because this bonus credit won't last long. Okay, so they subscribe the bonus credit and use it next month or the second month. Yes, it's fine. So what's the process? For example, first thing you need to do is you need to go to the home page, right? This is the website. If you are in the home page, just click credits and you will be redirected here. So once you're here, check what package you want to avail. So the higher the amount is, the higher the bonus credit that you are getting. For example, you want to subscribe our 5,050 package, you will also get 25% bonus credit. So with that being said, so this is 5,050, right? Now the 25 of 5,050 is 1,262. So you will get 1,262 US dollar and added to your account. That's it. That's how we are doing it. If you subscribe for more, then you will get higher bonus credit. So you will get huge savings, budget, hassle-free, and long-term benefits. You can use the bonus credits after 6 months or 1 month, depends on you, or 1 year, 2 years, never expire, okay? So this is the process. So first, you need to log into our dashboard. So if this is your first time, you need to go to create an account or click this one. This is login, or above, this is client login. Okay, you can use this one, or if this is your first time, create an account, or if you already have an account, just click login or client login here. So this is the first step. Second step, so once you're inside, let me open this one. So this is the second step. Okay, this is our dashboard. You can watch the video to explain our process and also our dashboard here. Okay, so step number 3, add funds. So you need to click this one, and here you need to add how many balance or amount you want to add. So for example, you want to add this one, 9,950, and then just click add funds. This is very self-explanatory. All right, so just follow, complete the purchase, and once done, it will be added to your account. All right, so it will be added here. And we are also going to add the 35 or the 30% bonus credits into your account. So we already followed the 4 steps. Now, once done, so what's next? So that's the right time. If you are ready to subscribe our service, you need to go to purchase service. You need to find what service you want to avail or subscribe, depends on what you are looking for. For example, you want to get link building service or SEO or on page GMB. It will be very easy for you to subscribe because, let's say for example, I will buy this one, okay, and I will also buy this one, so it will be added to your cart, no? And once you click this one, then the first thing you need to do is click checkout, and the balance that you have here will use for the payment. You don't need to top up another payments or add your card because you have balance in our dashboard. So that's the process. Okay, this is the video that I'm doing right now. So yeah, that's it. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day, partners. Take care.